Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make homemade coleslaw. First, select a crisp head of green cabbage and a few firm carrots. Wash them thoroughly. Then you'll want to shred your cabbage and carrots. Aim for thin, even strips, about 1/8 of an inch. A food processor with a shredding disc or a mandolin makes this step quick and easy, ensuring a perfect texture for your slaw. Now let's create that irresistible creamy dressing. In a medium bowl, whisk together 1 cup of good quality mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar. For an extra layer of flavor, stir in 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard and 1/2 teaspoon of celery seeds. Finish by seasoning with a pinch of salt and a dash of freshly ground black pepper. Once your dressing is ready, it's time to combine everything. Pour the creamy dressing over your shredded cabbage and carrots in a large bowl. Using a spatula or tongs, gently toss until all the vegetables are thoroughly coated. This ensures every bite is bursting with flavor. Cover the bowl and refrigerate your coleslaw for at least 30 minutes. This chilling time allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Your homemade coleslaw is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it alongside your favorite barbecue, fried chicken, or sandwiches. For a little extra freshness, you can garnish with some chopped fresh parsley or chives. If you prefer a tangier kick, try adding a 1/4 cup of finely minced red onion to the mix. This recipe is truly the only way to achieve that classic, delicious coleslaw.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.